Welcome to all. I am Assistant Professor uh, from SND College of Engineering and Research Center, UVLA, Department of Applied Science. Today's lecture on nanotechnology, unit number 6, engineering physics. Today we will discuss about properties of nanomaterials. Optical properties, electrical properties, magnetic properties, structural properties, mechanical properties and physical properties. Let's see one by one briefly. So first we will discuss about optical property. The origin of colors. What are properties of optical? Absorption and emission, reflection and transmission, scattering, dispersion and interference. Nanomaterials exhibits interesting optical properties that can differ significantly from the properties exhibited by the same bulk material. By controlling the size, shape and surface of nanoparticles, optical effects can be generated with many useful applications. Scattering, absorption and extinction. The sum of a scattering and absorptions is called as extinction. Diameter is less than 20 nanometers. The extinction is due to absorption. If diameter is greater than 100 nanometer, the extinction is due to scattering. A particle with a larger or smaller diameter, the optimal amount of a scattering and absorption can be achieved. Here you can see a 20 nanometers diameter silica particles with milky white colors. Plasmonic nanomaterials. Nanoscale structures made of metals such as gold, silver and aluminium can support surface plasmodes. When the wavelength of incident light matches the oscillation's frequency, the particles can strongly absorb or scatter the light, resulting in a strongly colored particles. Gold nanoparticles with different sizes show different colors. Photonic crystals. Photonic crystals are periodic dielectric structures that are designed to form the energy band structure for photons, which either allows or forbids the propagation of electromagnetic waves of a certain frequency ranges, making them ideal for light harvesting application. This is a photonic crystals. Next property, electrical property. Nanoparticles have a very high surface area to volume ratio. This provides a tremendous driving force for diffusion, especially at elevated temperatures. Sintering can take place at lower temperatures over a shorter time scales than larger particles. The electrical conductivity plays a significant role in nanoparticles such as nanorods, carbon nanotubes. Inside the nanoparticles, the energy band structure and charge carrier density can also influence the bulk particles differently. The spacing of the electronic levels and the band gap increases with decreasing particle size. Band gap increases as the size of nanoparticles decreases. In first conduction, in red color conduction band, in blue color valence bands. In first there are metals. In second picture band gap is increases. In third also increases and last is also increases. If band gap is 0, they are metals. If band gap is slightly more than metals, they are semiconductors. The band gap of more than semiconductors and lesser than insulator, the range of is nearly about 0.1 to 3 electron volt. These are nanoparticle semiconductors, and insulators have more band gap. Electrical properties. Graphene. Graphene is a slightly layer of carbon atoms tightly bound in a hexagonal honeycomb lattice. It is in the form of a plane of sp2 bounded atoms with a molecular bond length of 0.142 nanometers. Conductivity at room temperature is around 4000 Weber. Electronic band structure of graphene is as shown in figure. Valence and conduction bands meet at the 6 vertices of the hexagonal Brillouin zone and form linearly dispersing Dirac cones. This is carbon nanotubes, rotating single box and a scanning tunneling microscopy images of a single walked nanotube. Next property, magnetic properties. In electronic circuits, transformer, motors, sensors, informations, storage, medical field, magnetism of a materials shows very important applications. Magnetic materials are converted into nanomagnetic materials as they are reduced at least in one of the dimensions. Magnetic nanoparticles, assemblies of nanoparticles, magnetic nanowires, magnetic thin film or multilayer films, and metal oxide films. Material shows magnetic properties due to orbital and spin motions of electrons. Electrons have spin and orbital magnetic momentum. Iron, cobalt and manganese have a net magnetic moment. In bulk ferromagnetic material, the magnetic moment is less than the moment in the bulk material. Presence of domains in one direction, but moment of direction domains are in different directions. This is a BH curve. Depend of a magnetic moment on the dimensionality. Materials 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension and bulk. Increasing magnetic moment or atom. Next, structural property. The structure of a nanoparticles are not just the fragments of a bulk materials, whereas their structure of a nanoparticles can be entirely different. Bonds and bond strength in nanomaterials can also be totally different. Nanomaterials have different structure features in the arrangement of atoms and bulk materials. Dimensions of nanoparticles plays a significant role in determining the property. This fluctuation of the properties among the nanoparticles are due to their size, high surface energy, spatial arrangement, confinement in structure, and reduces imperfections. Surface to volume ratio. The size of the nanometers has a spatial confinement effect on the material. It is helpful to bring quantum effects. When the surface area exposed varies, then the entire surface properties get attached. Dimensions of nanoparticles are tiny, so they bear a considerable surface area to volume ratio. Next, physical properties. Physical properties of a nanoparticles are depend on first one is size, shape, specific surface area aspect ratio. Second, agglomeration or aggregation state. Third, surface morphology and topography. Fourth one is crystal structure, FCC structure and BCC structure. And last one is solubility or melting point. Agglomeration and aggregations. Nanoparticles are agglomerated into clusters that consist of a 10s, 100s or 1000s of nanoparticles. It contains the same number of identical size nanoparticles. Surface morphology and topography. This is nickel nanoparticles. This is morphology and topography. Crystal structure. Most solids are crystalline with their atoms arranged in a regular manner. The spatial arrangement of atoms in a crystal's lattice is described by its unit cell. So, I hope you have understood these properties of nanoparticles. First one is First one is optical property. Second one is electrical property. Third one is magnetic property. Fourth one is structural properties and mechanical properties. Thank you.